Crypto Queen, and I'm here to show you how to move XRP and or XLM, moving from your ledger onto an exchange. I'm using UPHOLD in this example, but you can easily do the same exact thing in COINBASE, okay? So what you're going to do, and I think I just showed these are screenshots from Ledger Live because, you know, I'm not very good at learning how to blur things out. I can do it, but it just takes me a very long time. So I just took screenshots of where you need to go in Ledger Live. Okay, so this is your menu right here. When you click on My Ledger, you have to connect your device. Otherwise, you can click on your portfolio at any time. Your Ledger Live is running on your computer. Now, if you want it updated and to have today's information on there, in other words, let's say you have, what do I have in UPHOLD right now? 912 XRP. Let's say I had that on my ledger, 912. If I wanted to see today's value, I would have to log in. So I would have to click on My Ledger, attach your ledger, which looks like a flash drive, using its cord that comes with it, plug that into your computer, enter your login information, and it will automatically update. Okay, markets tell you the pricing of everything. Accounts is where you're going to click on, okay, which leads me to the next screenshot. You are going, if you were receiving, you would use this one, but you were not. We're going to send it. We're going to send it to an exchange. I'm going to shut this one. Okay, so let's say it was XLM, and you could easily click on this down arrow right here and grab XRP or any other coin that you have in there. We'll list them all. It's a big drop-down menu. And if you are moving, let's say XDC, back onto your exchange, you have to click on Ethereum to see the drop-down underneath that, because they are ERC20 tokens, and they will be under Ethereum. So you have to click on Ethereum if you want to move that, okay? So here's your Stellar XLM. Let's say I wanted to move this amount back onto my exchange. And yeah, that's the plan. So you have to enter your Stellar address, which you would get by clicking right on your XLM account and saying receive. On your UPHOLD, you'll click on your XLM account and click on receive. Okay, it will pop up your address. You copy and paste and put it right in here. It will also give you a memo, which is just, I think it's a 6 or 7 digit number. It will be directly below your Stellar. Let me see if I took a picture of that. I think I did. What did I do with it? Is this it? I thought I did. Let's see. Okay, so please only send XLM and send it to the correct place. So make sure you are in your XLM wallet here. I thought I took a screenshot of this. Let me check for a second. Hold on 1 minute. No memo. Nope. Where is that? I think it's this. Nope. Darn it. I thought I took that picture. Hold on 1 second. I guess I did not. Sorry. But wait. Let me just show you something. Okay, so under here, when you click on your XLM right here and click receive, it will... Let me see. I know I did this. I'm so sorry. I should have had these up here. I know that. But I did take a screenshot of it. I don't... Oh, here it is. Duh. Okay, so... Oops. Okay, so in your back office, once you click on XLM down here in UPHOLD... Oh, come on. All right, you're seeing my other screenshots. I don't care. Okay, so once you hit receive from Stellar, underneath this, and I didn't take a picture of it because it has my details, but you will scroll down here. You can either scan your QR code and send it that way, or if you scroll down here, it will give you your XLM address, and it will also give you that memo number, okay? So once you get that, sorry about this, you come back here, you enter your Stellar address, you enter the memo number right here, and then you hit continue. And then it will ask you on the next page to confirm. And then you hit confirm. And then you go back over to Uphold. You refresh your account, you know, upper left-hand corner, there's the refresh key. Refresh the page, click on your XLM account, and it will be in there. Okay? So I'm sorry this is all disjointed, but I don't like to disclose my details. This is a lot of details anyway, but you know what? I don't keep much on Uphold. I use COINBASE. I use my ledger, which I'm not keeping a whole lot of XLM at this point. I do plan to take some. I just noticed under my Ethereum that I have several coins under there that I want to get rid of. So I'm going to swap them out for XLM, XDC, XRP, and Quant. And I do have some Quant under Ethereum already. I forgot that I even bought it. So I'm not recommending any of this for you. It's not financial advice. I merely share what I am involved in and what I do and what I research, and that is it, and show you how to move things back and forth. If you need a one-on-one session because you feel nervous or whatever, I mean, it happens a lot. Don't think you're the only one. It's fairly common because people get tripped up by either their ledger live and how to plug it in and how to log in and how to keep it logged in and all that kind of, you know, logistical stuff. If you feel stumped by that and you need some help, send me a email at zendevin, that's ZENDEVIN @gmail.com. Please only put one word in the subject line, and that is crypto in all uppercase letters. I get a lot of email and I don't want to miss yours. And we will set up a time, and you can pay either through Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. Okay? And that wraps it for today. This was how to move your XRP or XLM from your ledger to an exchange, and I used Uphold in this situation, but it could have just as easily been Coinbase, BITTREX, or anywhere else. The way of going about it is exactly the same. Okay, you're going to be hit send from your ledger with the correct crypto. Make sure you're logged into the correct crypto. Here, you know, this is Uphold, but you're going to click on your XLM account and receive. So you make sure you're, you know, switching apples to apples, okay? That's my recommendation to look out for, okay? Again, not financial advice, just helping to educate y'all. If you need a one-on-one, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And I will chat with you real soon. Love y'all. Thanks so much for being with me. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you see all my videos. And if you give this one a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithms and is much appreciated. Ciao for now. See you on the next video.